Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Ask Sanjeev Mishra. Now today's question is, what financial tip you will give to a newbie marketer? Now if you're just starting in online marketing, financial planning is very important over there, believe me, because you are here to make money, you are here to make profit. So it is very important to understand finance properly. Now, believe me, marketers are the most easy people to sell a product. Okay, anybody can sell a product to a marketer by promising extra results. Okay, they are the softest target, one of the softest target. So it is very important for a marketer to set the goal. What is the goal and what kind of budget he is having? So the first thing that you have to set, every product, every option which is available online for you, like to increase your marketing list, to increase your Facebook reach, to increase your conversion, to increase your profit, a lot of options you will find on internet. So I'm talking to all the marketers here. You will find a lot of options to increase your conversion and to do this and that. But the most important thing is budget. What is your budget? And in your budget, are you using that set amount properly? Are you getting enough return on whatever tools you are investing in? So this is the most important question you have to ask yourself. Otherwise, you will have a lot of tools, a lot of ebooks, a lot of things in your hand and nothing is giving proper returns. So first of all, you need to set your goal. So probably your first goal is to make your first affiliate sale. As I talked in my last video, you can go and watch that, how you will make your first affiliate sale. So you need to invest money on traffic. You need to invest money on getting traffic. That is most important thing. Now, if you have limited budget, you can depend on search engine optimization and you can try to get traffic from search engine, but it takes time. So if you want instant traffic, you need to get traffic from Facebook ads or Google ads or many other ads advertisement platform, but then you need to learn those platforms properly. You need to know how to get returns. Start with small amount and see if it is working. Rather than investing all amount and just using it for testing is not a good idea. So for a financial tip, I would suggest stick with your budget. What is your budget? Set the budget. If it is not set, set the budget. This is the budget for this particular month. I have to invest this amount of money in a particular tool for traffic, for design, for this thing and that. And then I have to see how many conversions happened. Now out of that you will get some profit, right? If you are getting some profit, it is very important to reinvest that profit rather than spending that profit on various things which are not related to your business. Keep that money with yourself, reinvest that money when needed, okay? Or reinvest that money on something which is already working. That is very important. So as a new marketer, what you have to do, set your budget, set the goal, go and see if the tool is good fit for you. Okay, go and see if the tool is good fit for you. Go and check the reviews. Go and see if it is going to help you in achieving that goal. If it is not helping you in achieving that goal, if it is not related to your kind of product, if it is not related to your niche, it is not useful to you. It may be useful for thousands of other marketers, but it is not useful to you right now. You have to make sure the tool that you are purchasing, whether it is useful. You need to ask yourself if you already have some other tool for the same functionality. Go and check your previous purchases. Go and check what kind of tools you already have. Go and check if there is any free options available for the same functionality. So to start with, you can go and try some free options which are there. Now rather than going with managed hosting or WP engine, you can go with Bluehost for your hosting. You can start your website on WordPress. You can start and utilize MailChimp, which is free, right? So you can utilize these platforms rather than investing money in n number of tools, because by end of the day you have to make profit. At the same time, you have to understand tools and you have to understand your requirement. You are here to make profit. You are here to make money, not spend money. So when you are making profit, of course, you can invest one part of that profit into a new tool to learn that tool. You can invest in growth. So, I have seen a lot of marketers who are always working on design. was always working on design. They are not at all satisfied with the design, existing design of their landing page or website. They're always working on that. Believe me, at one point of time, you will have to finalize it. You will have to stop that thing. My request is to focus on traffic. If you are getting traffic, enough traffic, and if the flow of the funnel is good, people will purchase even from a very bad designs on that page. So design is secondary, traffic is important. Okay, that is your primary thing. So for new marketers, I would suggest to go and focus on traffic. How many people came yesterday? How many people are coming today? How many people you are expecting tomorrow? Focus on that. If you are focused on traffic, you will get revenue. If you are getting revenue, if you are getting enough profit, you can hire somebody and you can get those design issues fixed. Till then, don't focus on design, focus on traffic, focus on conversion, focus on communication, right? Apart from traffic, all these things are free. You can send n number of emails. You have 12,000 emails per month on MailChimp. You can send emails to 2,000 subscribers on MailChimp. You can share content for free on Instagram and Facebook. So keep doing it. And go and see if you are getting some conversion, if you are getting some traffic over there. So what you have to focus on is traffic. Don't focus on design. If you are getting enough traffic, you will make good amount of money. When you are making money, don't just spend those money on watches or cars, on bikes. Don't do that. Keep that money, reinvest a part of that money in your business, reinvest a good amount of money on your traffic source, invest a small portion of money on a new tool. Go and try a new tool, learn that thing. So invest in yourself, in learning and growing your business rather than spending on cars, watches or any other things. Also make sure you are not purchasing tools which are not useful for your need or which are not going to help you in achieving your goal. Okay, there are so many tools. There are so many tools for $100 or $500. Don't just invest money over there without knowing that whether it is going to help me in my particular business. So because you are the softest target, believe me. So if you like this video, click on the like button, share this video with your friends, family or marketers whom you know, and let me know your feedback via comment area. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.